What's up, guys? Here again, Legendary Legendary Duelist Season 3, box opening number 3. So, let's see what we can get. Yesterday, subpar. Not our best. Not our worst either. So, let's see. Alright, pop everything out. Nice, finally got a new die. We got the purple. Looks like Dark Magician on it. And then, wow, 2 Kaiser Glider Golden Burst in the same box there, so there you have it. Here are packs. Still trying to get Magician Souls. Preda Prime Fusion. Here's Gimmick Puppet Terror Baby. Number C15, Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter. We got Predaponics. Earthbound Immortal Kapakik Apu. Something. Got our regular Ultra here. Number C40, Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings. Just fuzz or something. Looks like cardboard. Necroface. Spirit Message L. Here is Evil Hero Infernal Sniper. Earthbound Immortal Wirekaka Raska. Wirekaka Raska something. Here's Supreme King's Castle. We got red here with Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy. We got Magistry Alchemist. Elemental Hero Honest Neos in blue. Oh, they might just only have those 2 colors. Favorite Hero, Oracle of the Sun. We got Predaplant Drago Stepelia. Here is H Heated Heart. All right, second pack. Here we go. All right, start out with the same card again. Preda Prime Fusion. Gimmick Puppet Terror Baby. We got number C15, Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter. Predaponics, a lot of repeats here. Earthbound Immortal Kapak Apu. What is it? This is blue, but you kind of got the O's falling off. Man. Evil Hero Wild Cyclone, and this is in blue, but the O is kind of rubbing off in Hero. We got Miracle Fusion, Moon Dragon Keela, Satellite Synchron. We got Spirit Message N, Dark Magical Circle as our regular Ultra, Winged Karibo. Here's Excel Synchron, Evil Hero Sinister Necrom in red. I mean, just look at the top of this card. I don't know. Quality Control, something. Earthbound Immortal Uru. Here is Starving Venom Fusion Dragon. A Hero Lives. And our last one here, Earthbound Immortal Chaku Chalhula. Something. So there you guys have it. At least we got new dice today. Repeat on our secret. So otherwise, guys, pretty good pulls on that. A lot of repeats, but we kind of knew that coming in. So as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you for tomorrow's video.